Yaya tới nè. Let's together assemble one of the hot items on Amazon with Vietnamese hot price from Offerny. We got a chair. Alright, it's time to open the mystery box. Make sure you check all the hardware needed. If anything missing, just reach out to Offerny. Our support team is awesome. Wanna see how fast and easy we can turn these parts into a chair? Time to get hands-on and make it happen. First up, the base. Pop the 5 wheels in. You will hear a little click, and that's it. Then drop the gas lift into the center. Easy peasy. Next, we're doing the backrest and armrest. Match the arm with the left and right labels. Then use the long screws to attach them. Don't tighten them too hard yet. We will do a final check later. Now flip the seat cushion over. Put the backrest into place and screw it in with washers. Yup, washer first. Next up, the tilt mechanism. Line it up with the word front and the arrow. They are already rinsed on the seat. Screw it in with the 4 short screws, and of course, wash this again. Last but not least, put the whole seat on the base. No twisting, no tools, it just fits right in. Boom, you're done. Enjoy your garden chair, comfy, stylish, and budget friendly.